This flow shows how to install a specialist agent in ATMEX. Open the agent catalog. Bundles let you browse specialists by type of work. In this recording, I search for a social media specialist for Instagram campaign generation. Valentina Reyes is the example here, but she is only one specialist among dozens of agents available across bundles. Each card shows the agent role, category, version and install state before you add it to your workspace. Click Install when the specialist matches the work you want to delegate. Once installed, the agent becomes part of your local roster and can be selected like the other team members. You can keep browsing the catalog, compare nearby specialists, or install more than one agent when the workflow needs it. The important point is that you are not starting from a blank chatbot. You are choosing a role with a prepared operating style. For marketing work, that might mean campaign structure, audience questions, brand tone, assets and timing. Back in the workspace, the new specialist appears under Marketing and Conversion. Select Valentina and start the conversation with a clear task, such as creating an Instagram campaign for a product. The agent responds with the inputs it needs: offer, audience, brand voice, format, assets, and campaign goals. That is the value of specialist agents. They guide the first conversation around the work they are built to perform. Reusable pattern: browse, install, select the agent and start the workflow.